Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to sign your PDF file online for free. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your browser. Then you want to come to your address bar right here and visit this particular website, www.pdf2go.com. Hit enter on your keyboard. Let's go to take you right here. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you click on all tools from the top right here. Click on all tools. Then after click on all tools, scroll down right here, and then you have sign PDF right here. So click on that. Then here you go. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on choose file. Then go ahead and select your PDF file. I have my PDF file in desktop. Then I will scroll down right here and select my PDF file, hit on open. And the PDF file is automatically fully loaded up right here, just like what you see right here. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on setup signature. Here we go. Have different options right here. You have name signature or initial signature, date and time, the system, as the case may be. You can choose different style right here. Then you can come down below right here, signature element. So you have this, and then you have drawing, which can be your handwriting, and then you have upload your personal signature. Just click on choose file, and it will be added to your signature. Then you have this initial, you have company right here. So let's go ahead and try drawing. So let's say, for instance, this is my signature right here. So once you are satisfied with the signature, you can also change the signature color as the case may be. Then reduce the signature width. So let's clear up this. So in case you made a mistake. So let's take a look at this particular blue color right here. So just like so. And write your signature. Once you are satisfied with the result, the next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on close tab right here. Then you have your signature right here. You can as well edit your signature if you would like to edit your signature. So just like so, after uploading the signature, you can easily drag and drop the signature where you want to put it right here. Then adjust the area you want to put the signature. Then you can increase the size of the signature as the case may be. If you are not satisfied, click on this tab to close. You can drag and drop and position your signature right here. If you want to edit the signature, click on edit and then come down right here and edit whatever you want. As this was done, so tap right here. So once you are done, then you are good to go. And review and check if the signature is cool, just like what you have right here. So I'm going to the signature size, make it bold, and I'm going to position it right here, just like so. So if you are satisfied with the kind of signature you have on your PDF, then you are good to go. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on save right here. Like so. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on download right here. Then go ahead and rename the file signature. Then go ahead and click on save right here. Successfully saved. So we can open the PDF to view it, just like what you have right here. So we have our PDF being signature without any stress, or for free. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.